Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to the Projections channel. All right, we're on episode 9 right now. Okay, so last night's stream was quite an eventful one. Everyone was talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're all going to tank, they're going to drop. But that didn't happen. Why? Because we understand something. We understand market makers' behavior. We understood that they had been building longs at lower prices as price came and dropped down here. They started to hold the base. The 800 EMA right here, as you can see, has been tapped 1, 2 over here. But in relation to this, it's only got hit once, not even touched it at all, actually. It's just come back into that zone. Got 1, 2, 3 pins to the low. Okay. Now, some would say inverted head and shoulders, which is a variation of a W. We've got another W within a W. So we've got a pattern within a pattern. Notice what happens here. You've got a W formation right here. Price rises out of the pattern, retraces back, stays in line with the pattern itself. Look at the bigger W. Price drops, rises, drops, comes out. Yeah. And here we are now waiting for the pullback to the 50 EMA to establish level 1. Okay. In light of the cycle, have I got it here? No, I've got it on my Bitcoin chart. In light of the cycle itself, we always anticipate a move out of the peak formation, which is the shift candle right here. Price comes up, hits an ADR. Now we need to see the pullback to the 50 EMA to effectively start and form the consolidation of level 1. Once this has been achieved and price forms a base at the 50 EMA, we need price to come back up and take out this zone, which will then give us what? It will give us 1, 2, 3. The second cycle to the upside, the pattern. If I draw it out for you clearly, there she goes. Okay, that's what we're waiting for with Ethereum, guys. This is what we need to do. We need to sit and wait. We waited last night. We saw the activity. We understood what was going on with the market makers. They were making people go short. People weren't patient. They didn't want to wait. They only thought about Bitcoin coming down to, yet again, price, value, and Ethereum as well. Okay, they weren't patient. They paid the price. Not us, guys. We have patience. We understand something. Let the market maker reveal his hand. Okay? That's Ethereum. Look at Bitcoin. Same story. Notice. Drop. Comes out. Shifts out of the zone. They need to get out of the zone as soon as they physically can. Why? Because that means they are committing to the retail trader down here. They've been making the retail trader believe that price is going to keep going down. So there's lots of liquidity down here by the retail trader to go short. The market maker has been building his longs. He now needs to realize a profit. Notable volume, aggressive candle to the upside. 1, 2 shifts out of the zone. Price comes up, hits the 200 EMA, takes a 50 out, hits the 200 EMA. Now it's starting to pull back. Starting to pull back. We need it to come back down to the 50 EMA, form a base, another rise to the upside. Notice the projection. That's what we're waiting for. Okay? We are waiting for that to happen. Bitcoin has come back into the previous zone. If you watched last night's stream, you would have seen that we were waiting for this area to be taken out. And she did exactly just that. When everyone was talking about selling Bitcoin, nah. Even if now Bitcoin does drop to the downside, fundamentally the point was last night we spoke about what was going on here. I don't care about what happens here. Here is where we understood something. Price rises out. It came back into the zone. So important you understand that, guys. Go watch last night's stream. Okay? That will be the guide to help you understand the pattern, because you will see the pattern playing out in real time. And the idea of this channel is to help you in a short moment, okay, is to help you train your eyes to understand how patterns develop in real time. There's no point in me drawing this, coming to you and saying, here, look, Bitcoin came out the zone. What have you got against that? What have you got to say, yeah, I understand, I can see that it has come out of the zone, but, you know, what was it like when this was playing out down here? Everyone was being fearful last night in this zone. Okay? So it's important you understand that. Go watch last night's stream. It is all relevant. It's all part of the puzzle, guys. Okay? XRP. Same story. XRP did show actually quite very, interesting behavior. Notice. Drop, rise out. Okay? Very interesting behavior by XRP. They're all coming back down. You notice that we're seeing the same thing. XRP, Bitcoin and Ethereum doing exactly the same thing. Notable volume to the down, retrace back over. over the 50, over the 200, hits the M5, retrace back down to the 50. We need price now to effectively come back down. So we've got the rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. That's what we want to see for the first level. Level 1 is so important, okay? Now, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. The basis of this channel is to take away the hassle of having to sit through the, the 2-hour streams whilst we're discussing and expressing the strategy itself. All right, you may or may not have the time to sit for 2-3 hours listening to how a pattern or understanding the concepts behind this hybrid system. Okay, 10-minute videos, up to 10 minutes, sorry, and you get your fix. You understand where you are with Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. All right, mad respect to all of you guys. Catch you later.